Greetings of the day. So continuing the topic functions of central bank, here I explain the third and important function of central bank, that is bankers bank and supervisor. That means the central bank is a bankers bank and supervisor. It is the bank of all commercial bank also. Like in the previous video, we discussed that the central bank performs various functions for the government. Same way, the central bank performs various functions for the commercial banks also. And it is a banker's bank. All right. So in the banker's bank and supervisor, the central bank performs as a custodian of the cash reserve of the commercial bank. You know, every commercial bank has to keep a part of their deposit, their cash balance, with the central bank. Not all the cash balance, but some part of that cash balance, they have to deposit it with the central bank. So somewhere the central bank keeps that cash reserve of the commercial banks in its custody, and it manages that bank also. The central bank acts as a custodian of these reserve, and it is because of this function only that the central bank is called as a bank of bankers, or we can say banker to commercial banks. So we can simply explain that the central bank is a bank for all commercial banks also. It regulates, it manages, it controls, it directs also all the commercial banks in the economy. And same way, in this function only, the central bank act as a custodian of the cash reserve of the commercial bank, because every commercial bank has to keep some portion, some ratio of their cash reserve deposited with the central bank, and the central bank keeps that cash reserve in its custody. That is why it is known as custodian of the cash reserve of this commercial bank. The next function here comes is, under this function only, lenders of last resort. Lenders of last resort means that the central bank lends to the commercial bank in times of emergencies. For example, if any emergency is there and commercial bank needs or seeks the help of the central bank, then central bank is going to give the complete assistance, monetary, financial help or assistance to the commercial banks. Take the example of recent Yes Bank structure. The Yes Bank is in problem. Who is taking care of that? Central bank. Why? Because the central bank lends to the commercial bank in times of emergencies, which means if any emergency period is there and commercial bank needs some money, some finance, it seeks some money, then definitely there is the central bank only who will lend that money to commercial bank. So directly or indirectly, whenever there is a reasonable demand by the commercial bank, central bank is there, which is going to help all the commercial banks from the point of view of money. So it acts as a lenders of last resort also. Lenders of last resort, bharose ka ekmatra sahara. That means there is only commercial bank at the end who is going to help all the commercial banks directly or indirectly who seeks money in their bad times. I hope this is clear. So next